ASTQB wants you to be prepared for the ISTQB Foundation Level Exam. You can download all of the ISTQB Foundation study resources for free on our website. You can also watch free ASTQB Foundation Level Exam prep videos of the must-know items before you take the exam. ISTQB's Foundation Level 2.1.5 Shift Left. The principle of early testing is sometimes referred to as shift left because it is an approach where testing is performed earlier in the SDLC. Shift left basically suggests that testing should be done earlier. For example, not waiting for code to be implemented or for components to be integrated. But it does not mean that testing later in the SDLC should be neglected. There are some good practices that illustrate how to achieve a shift left in testing, which include reviewing the specification from the perspective of the testers. These review activities on specification often find potential defects, such as ambiguities, incompleteness, and inconsistencies. Writing test cases before the code is written, and have the code run a test harness during code implementation. Using CI and even better CD as it comes with fast feedback and automated component tests to accompany source code when it is submitted to the code repository. Completing static analysis of source code prior to dynamic testing or as a part of an automated process. Performing non-functional testing starting at the component test level, where possible. This is a form of shift left as these non-functional test types tend to be performed later in the SDLC, when a complete system and a representative test environment are available. Shift left might result in extra training, effort, and/or costs earlier in the process, but is expected to save efforts and/or costs later in the process. For shift left, it is important that stakeholders are convinced and brought into this concept. If you know what software testing is, you will be one step closer to success with your ISTQB Foundation Level Exam from ASTQB. Download the free ISTQB Foundation Level Exam preparation materials today. www.astqb.org